Alright everybody, we've got some pack wars about to open up here in just a second, but I've got some packs here for my pal jsmitty. He's got 2 jumbo packs, so I'm just going to open these up for him and let him know what he hit. DJ Davis refractor auto, Bryce Harper chrome. So my pal jsmitty from Canada hit a Canadian refractor auto. Nice card. Alright, next pack for jsmitty. And he has... Wow, look at that. Michael Waka. In 2 packs, he hit 2 of the 3 autos. Good grief. Alright, now, rip and list. These are your 2 packs. Look at that. Mike Zunino auto. First 3 packs, first 3 autos. Mike Zunino auto for rip and list. Wow. Kind of kills the suspense for the rest of the breaks. That's generally not how you want to do it, but there it is. And you didn't get Jack in this one, so okay. Alright, next video is going to be for the wars, which apparently now have no autos in them. Alright.